You've done it! You landed your first client. That feeling is incredible. But what you do next defines the entire relationship. A great onboarding process isn't just paperwork. It's your first and best chance to establish professionalism and build lasting trust. It starts with a solid contract. This isn't just a legal formality, it's your professional handshake, clearly defining expectations for services, payment, and communication. Next, send a polished welcome packet. This is your playbook. Include your office hours, preferred tools, and a detailed intake form to truly understand their business and goals. Then, schedule a kickoff call. This is where you move from being a hired hand to a strategic partner. Ask insightful questions, align on the vision, and build real rapport. Start with a few small tasks to build momentum and trust. A great onboarding isn't about starting a project. It's about launching a successful, long-term partnership. You